thunderstorm warning for southeastern Cook County in northeastern Illinois, Porter County in northwestern Indiana, Northern Lake County in northwestern Indiana, until midnight. At 10:59 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from East Chicago to Chicago Heights, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Hammond, Gary, Calumet City, Portage, Merrillville, Valparaiso, Chicago Heights, East Chicago, Cherville, Hobart. Impacted include Crown Point, Highland, Munster, Dothan, Park Forest, Homewood, Madison, Chesterton, Steger, South Holland, Griffith, Dyer, St. John, and Richmond Park. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. The following is a special marine warning.